Hello students, today I am Adarsh and we are now going to start the topic light. First of all, we have to represent some things that I am from home tuition powered by Query Karo and we start a new chapter that is light. So let's start the new chapter with a fun. As we all of know that what do you mean by light? What is light? That means in Hindi prakash. Light is a form of energy in which we are able to see anything. But can only light is able to see anything without reflection, without any object, without the help of eye? No, it is not possible. That means लाइट अकेला ही अपने आप को ये रिप्रेजेंट नहीं कर सकता कि किसी भी चीज़ को हम देख सकते हैं. हमें देखने के लिए we have compulsory have eyes, because if suppose there is light and we don't have eyes, can we able to see this? No, we are not able to see this because eye is the mediator for seeing that. Why? Because it reflects back. There is a reflection. There is a phenomena which is situated on this topic light, that is reflection. So लाइट एक ऐसा फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी है जो हमारे आँख के हेल्प से हम किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को देखने में हेल्प करता है. लाइट के बारे में हम लोग जैसे जानेंगे तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट हैज़ अ नेचर. व्हाट डू मीन बाय लाइट? That is, light is a form of energy which enable us to see anything. That means any object. But what? But what is the mediator to see anything? With the help of eye. Without eye, we can't able to see anything. Okay? Now, as we all of you know that there is two types of phenomena which is situated in the light. That is what? That is luminous object and second is non-luminous object. What is luminous object? Then the object which has which emits light of their own, that is called luminous object. This is that कि ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट, ऐसा कोई वस्तु जिसके पास खुद का लाइट हो, जो अपने आप लाइट को रिफ्लेक्ट करे, जो अपने आप जल सके, उसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? लुमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट. दैट मीन्स द ऑब्जेक्ट विच एमिट्स लाइट ऑफ देयर ओन इज कॉल्ड लुमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एज वी ऑल नो दैट sun is the ultimate source of energy. That means sun is a big star. So we have to take example that is a star like sun. This is the ultimate source of energy. मतलब एनर्जी का भंडार है इसके पास. Then bulb, then etc. This is called luminous object. That means the object which emits light of their own is called luminous object. And what do you mean by non-luminous object? That means just opposite of this. That means the object which doesn't emit light of their own. That means this is the requires any material medium for the propagation of light. That is called non-luminous object. मतलब इसके पास खुद का लाइट नहीं है, किसी की हेल्प चाहिए इसको अपने आप को लाइट को एमिट करने के लिए, इसलिए इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? non-luminous object. So let's start. The objects which do not emit lights of their own. जो खुद अपने आप से लाइट को प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर सकता उसे हम नॉन लुमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट बोलते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, मून. दिस इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर कंफ्यूजिंग इन दिस टर्म. Most of the students are confused in this term, so we have to consider about that कि moon is the non-luminous object. मतलब moon जो है, चंद्रमा जो है, this is a natural satellites of the earth. This is a what? Non-luminous object. This is not a luminous object. But most of the students are confused in this term. So be prepared. Moon, anything that is table, board, wood, etc. Thank you for this sum. Now we will consider about in the next lecture. So please subscribe this channel and be support to connect with us. Thank you so much.